beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nella, for those of you who don't know, and I should have been like, I'm Nella, for those of you who don't know. And in today's video, I am doing a Saturday during lockdown. Well, the Saturday is not lockdown. Lockdown starts tomorrow, Sunday, but it's the last Saturday before lockdown. So I'm trying to handle some business on the road. I'm coming to you in my pop down estate because I was just like, yo, I need to go out on the road as early as possible so I can leave and do what I need to do. So I made my first stop already because I completely forgot about this recording thing, and that was at court. I did take some video around when I remembered, and I went to courts to pick up my purchase. So I knew what I wanted, so as soon as I went there, I just went and looked around, and I went and looked for what I wanted and paid for it. Pro tip: now there is a line to the cashier, so I was like, oh my god, am I going to be waiting in that hell of a long line? But because I paid with a card, pro tip is that the sales rep, the person who types up the form so that you can get to the cashier, if they have card machines at their tables, so if you're paying with a card, as soon as you tell them what you want and they type up the order and everything, you can pay right there. So I was in and out in no time. I just went and looked around because I was like, I got what I want, but I also need a computer table and chair. So I just went and looked around to see what they had. Didn't really love it, so I'm going to go and look somewhere else because I'm just like, it's 2021. Why? Those are so basic for what I need. Anyways, before I go further into this video, I want to give a shout out to the subscriber of the day who will be listed on the screen right here. Thank you so much for your continued support. I appreciate you, I love you, and you are amazing. Now let's continue into the video. Like, honestly, this lockdown thing is just hindering the progress of the world because everything is so backed up. I'm like at court right now, and if you see the parking lot, you wonder what is going on. If court's giving away something, you wonder if court's giving away something, make the parking lot so full. But I was fortunate, like, it's like God on my side all morning, because as soon as I come, I was in the line, and then somebody just left the same time I was coming in, so I get the parking spot right at the entrance to right at the door. Go in, see what I want, pay for it, and out in 2 twos. Trust me. But as in, now we get 3 days lockdown, and then on Friday things close early at midday. I'm like, why did it need to close early on Friday? Curfew starts Sunday. There is no logical reason that we need to close the place on Friday. All we have to do, extend it a little hour to allow people all the time to shop and do what they need. But closing early on Friday don't make sense, and it's a waste of the time because it's a wasting a whole business day. Whereas we already have 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday. Traffic has been absolutely terrible on those days. Absolutely terrible. And lines are astronomical. Every time I drive past, I have to go to the tax office this month. Between this month and next month, I have to go to the tax office. And I'm wondering, when am I going to be able to do it? Because usually there are specific times when I go and I think that, the place will be empty. But no, the way how this is going on, will there ever be a day when the place is empty? Anyways, enough of my rant. Let me continue on my day and show you guys what I'll be doing. Like, look at the parking lot. Look how it's full. Look how it's full. Oh god, I can't show you guys, so I'm just gonna go. But place full. Like, look at all of the parking lots in these plazas. Look at the line to leave. Like, look at all the traffic on this good Saturday, and then look at like all the parking lots. If you look across, like, the line to leave these parking lots is as long as the traffic itself. Look across here. You see all of this? You see all of that? Look across there. Like, you see that traffic? And that is to leave the plaza and try to go somewhere else. Like, wow. Look at all of these. Like, everybody is just trying to handle business on Saturday because Sunday lockdown and the place not going to open up back until Wednesday. Like, make it make sense. Make it make sense when all of us are out here trying to do our business and all of us out here trying to make sure that things are done. When does the actual, like, no movement and all of that work out? Anyways, let's get to driving. So I actually have like quite a few life updates that I need to give you guys. I will probably either do a life updates video either before this video drops or after. If it's before, then y'all already know what's going on, but if it's after, then it will be sometime during the week, because one of my goals for the rest of the year, at least until Nella must, because you know with Nella must I increase my videos, is to try and produce 2 videos a week for you guys, so that I can become more consistent. I took a week off because I am COVID out. Basically, you guys know that I'm a doctor and I work in a hospital, so I've had, you know, my weekends have been booked and busy at work doing the government's job, and then when I come home I'm just tired, so I just did not have the energy, the motivation to edit or film, because I actually, like, there are lots of videos that I film and then I don't actually put them out, and if I really wanted to I could probably go back into one of those and edit them and then go through, but I have not. And so I have those videos, and then I have videos of content that I have already pre-planned and written and have a schedule and all of that. Girl, write up schedule and all of these things already, but I'm just here chilling, maxing, relaxing, and not doing anything because I am just tired. Then, yeah, tired. So I have been a bit of a bum outside of work lately. Oh my god, my nose. It's not COVID, but alright, at least I do think so. My nose was just itching me. So before you guys think stranger danger, COVID or keep, that's not it. So how have you guys been? I sound so monotone and anticlimactic. Relax. How have you guys been? Like, how have you been in this? How are you guys facing? How you guys been handling these lockdowns? I have not been locked down. I have been working. I mean, one thing I like about lockdown is less traffic. So, I mean, when I reach home, it's a lot quicker to reach home. It's a lot less work to reach home. I can reach home in like 15 minutes, even though I don't live 15 minutes from work. You know what I mean? So that is nice. So my second stop is too active. Yo, when I was driving by to come up, there was such a long ass line outside of active. Now the line is a bit more manageable. So, like, the line went all the way up the road, almost by the stoplight. I'm like, wow. But things are going now, and people getting in, and the traffic. Now I'm literally just at the gate, so that's good. Oi, sir, you drive a truck, you can see what is in front of you. Obviously. Backside. Look at the parking situation here. Girls still can't find parking. The madness of it all. The absolute madness. I don't even know what's going on. I know. Oh, this so. I tell you, imagine if the day had not ended at 12 o'clock Friday, half of the people would not have done this. Half of we would not have done this. Alright? No, I'm passing on. Parking is terrible, people. Like, I just had to go to the extended parking section, which is like right here where you get all the, you have to parallel park and them things there. And I have to figure out myself. So let's head inside. Hi guys, so I am back in the car. I got what I was getting at Active. Yeah, I picked up what I was picking up at Active and I was hungry. So Active actually now has Cafe Blue there, like on the little corner. I'll insert a clip there. So now they have Cafe Blue. And you know, a lot of people love Starbucks, and Starbucks is okay, but I'm more of a Cafe Blue girl, if I'm to be completely honest. I go there more often, and especially because maybe it's because I'm not really a big coffee drinker. And when I did that whole trying the Christmas drinks that I did last year for Nella, I liked the Cafe Blue ones more. So I got the Blue Mountain lemonade. Wait, really tasty. What if it has coffee in there? No, it doesn't. It's a lemonade. And I got a chicken wrap, because despite being up since 7 o'clock this morning, I forgot to eat breakfast. It is now 1 o'clock and I haven't eaten lunch, so I'll just grab something. So next place I'm going to is Azan's. Yeah, and then after that I should be heading home. Just another traffic day in Kingston City. Everybody is trying to beat COVID, the pandemic lockdown. And that is the kind of traffic I've been battling all week. Well, not all week. On the day when there are lockdowns, there's no traffic, and then the next day just like, what is going on, people? Bill. And like I said, it's 1 o'clock. Curfew I think is 6 p.m. today, and then that's it, bro. Unless you're an essential worker. It's so bad, but they're like, I hate paper straws. Anyways, it's so bad because like a lot of people are suffering with COVID, and it's rough. It's rough on the youths. It really is rough on the youths. And then because, as I said, the week is so truncated. Lips are blue. Blue, double D, double die. Alright, yeah. The week is so truncated that you have to try and do everything in these 4 days, Tuesday to Saturday. But then they decide to close the place half day Friday, and I'm just like, that don't make sense. Because there are people, a lot of people, especially, it would end up that they either never went to work Friday or go work and try leave work 10 o'clock. Which, I mean, like, what did you really do? Like, there's so many, like, things that we have to do. And then some places don't even open on Saturday. So, you're not going to get to go to them until next week, Wednesday. So, a lot of people are just trying to get what they can done because the place has been just, a lot of business days are closed down. So, they're really trying to get through all of what they can right now. Driving past Fontana, it was full. Fontana ever full. Worse in these times. If you can find parking, I would be surprised. Wait, let me show you. So that is Fontana, right? And let me zoom in. Oh, this car can block me. You see the traffic going in and through Fontana? You know, these cars are blocking my progress. But yeah. Look at the traffic going into and just going around Fontana. Pure traffic. Look at that. Everywhere is just pure traffic. Let me zoom out and show you a little bit better. Look at this now. Just pure traffic going into and around Fontana. I must say, like, I'm parked and down here is a bit emptier than I expected. I thought the place would have been full and ting, but Crossroads in general, I didn't find as much traffic coming down this side. I guess everybody going Halfway Tree or Constant Spring to do their shopping, because down here not too bad. Actually pleasantly surprised. So I am back home. I am tired, I'm exhausted, I am popping down. Where is the light? Yeah, here's the light. Yeah, tired, exhausted, popping down. So I still have some stuff to do around the house. So right now I'm just gonna take a little break because I just reached home, carried out the garbage to, so the garbage collectors can pick it up. And now I'm just here in my bed.